Damon, and I'm Creative Nails on Instagram. Today I took Damon's Valentino Beauty Pure class, and look at them. They're gorgeous, aren't they? I learned so much today. Foundation, shaping, 3D flowers, properly adding your bling to your nails. This was such a great experience for a self-taught beginner like myself. I definitely suggest you take this class.
I just completed the Valentino 2-day course with Damon and Shelly, and it was amazing. I learned so much, and my nails have improved. Don't judge the 3 that aren't done. But the whole experience, everyone left learning something, so I'm really happy I came. It was definitely worth it.
On behalf of One Stop Beauty School, I just want to say thank you, Damon, for coming to Chicago, and we are so honored to host your class here and host Valentino here.